Yesterday, we all know that a plane have crashed in Ahmedabad. Air India Boeing plane have crashed in just 1 minute from its takeoff on a medical college. So, Insights with Sujay expresses a deep sorrow and grief towards this incident. And in this plane, total of 240 plus passengers were traveling, in which 241 have passed away and one is the survivor. And not only the 241 passengers who were traveling have passed away, but the medical college students on which the plane was crashed, the students of have also passed away. So the deep sorrow and grief will be there towards all of these people, and may their soul rest in peace. But what really the matter is concerning us now is whose failure or whose negligence is this? A plane of Boeing of Air India have crashed on a medical college from just takeoff of 1 minute. Is this really something which can be imagined, or is this really something unimaginable? We have to decide about that firstly. And second thing is, just recall, let's just recall few months ago when the DGCA had rejected this flight to take off or fly on a technical error basis, or not only just few months before. Let's recall something this same week. The same week on the same flight, few of the passengers really complained about the AC is not working and some other technical glitches also. So the question is, what was really necessary for an Air India airline to fly the same flight towards another destination? So, should we conclude that it is Air India's negligence? No, because as usual, the Air India have declared a crore rupees for each of the passengers who have passed away and to the families of the passengers. Will this solve the grief and sorrow of the passengers? There were 241 passengers who have passed away. That means there are 241 different stories people were reaching to London. Some were reaching for a family vacation, some were reaching for the higher studies, and some were reaching for the leisure time and to meet their families. And one of them was extremely saddened by the passing away of ex Chief Minister of Gujarat itself. And another story which really is suppressing all of us is there was a guy who was going to London to pay and perform last rituals towards his wife, but destiny really had other plans. The point here is, what about the families who were left behind who have passed away? And the second point here is, if the Air India was really behind giving 1 crore rupees to the families, it would have invested the same 241 crore rupees, which will be disbursed soon to the families, hopefully, should be invested in technical glitches and errors or buying a new flight also. So, whose problems is this and whose negligence do you think is this? Please comment down below your thoughts, and do follow Insights with Sujay and share this video as much as possible.